Do you love cryptocurrency, hate the government, and enjoy the thrill of harmless but questionable legality?
That sounds pretty cool already.
Well then today's video is just for you because I'm talking about LocalBitcoins. My favorite exchange that I don't use, haven't used, and will never use. If you want to use one of the only services that allow you to buy Bitcoin truly anonymously, then click the link in the description to go sign up. Now, LocalBitcoins is one of the oldest exchanges on the market, if you could even call it that. LocalBitcoins connects Bitcoin buyers and sellers on a peer-to-peer basis, allowing you to buy Bitcoin almost completely anonymously. The process is pretty simple too. You contact a reputable seller, agree on a price, lock your cash in an escrow account while you wait for your Bitcoin transaction to finalize, then bada bing, bada boom, there you go. You just made a mostly anonymous fiat to crypto conversion. It's a great service, but you should approach it with caution for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, governments hate when people leave them out of anything, especially peer-to-peer investing. A lot of new crypto regulation is coming down the pike, and if this service isn't already illegal in your country, then it may soon be. Second, if you grew up in the mid-2000s and ever tried to download My Humps by Fergie on LimeWire and ended up infecting your family computer with malware, then you already know that peer-to-peer services are unfortunately rife with scammers, hackers, and grifters. LocalBitcoins is no exception. That's why LocalBitcoins uses a reputation system for sellers to give buyers more confidence in who they're dealing with. So pay attention to your seller's reputation and reviews, both in number and quality. And no matter how good their reputation is, always use the escrow system. No matter what they say. If they insist you don't use the escrow system, find a different seller. Look, LocalBitcoins is a great service that I wish I could have used, but it's questionably legal in the United States, and that has prevented me from ever contacting a local Bitcoin seller. It's, I think, the best way to buy cryptocurrency anonymously if that's something you're interested in. Just be careful and understand the risks. Use the link in the description to head over to LocalBitcoins and buy some crypto away from the prying eyes of centralized exchanges and governing authorities. Remember, any investment is risky, so be sure to consult your financial advisor before making any big decisions. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and think about subscribing for more crypto news, reviews, and analysis. Leave a comment below and enter our crypto giveaway where we'll be giving away crypto, hardware wallets, and much, much more. I'm CryptoBo. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.